Hardware to finish this. I can move on, but it bothers me this isn't done. And I don't want to put this nasty hardware, a nice, clean motor. But I got some things done. In a minute, we'll have it timed up and put together a little better. You ready? You ready for this? And this is the best engine stand ever. You just turn it around, you get to work to it. And then you work on it. There we go. That's all I was doing.
Ele quer colocar isso debaixo do carro, quer colocar em cima. Ele não quer que passe por cima, entendeu?
Não quer a bomba nem o filtro em cima.
Não, ele quer embaixo, quer colocar embaixo do carro.
Beleza, perfeito.
Dissolve com álcool, é um fabricante nacional que faz pra NASA.
E a China dissolves with alcohol.
So, what?
Qual que é a solução então?
Cool. Nice. Vai estar exposto lá no VGT.
It's gonna be a
Yeah?
VGT.
Awesome. Really cool. Tirou. All right, it's middle of day 4. It's I don't even know, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're just running around trying to get parts still. Right now, we just bought a fuel tank which we might modify. We're now running to a dyno shop for 2 things. There's a customer car there for a set of Recaros that we're looking at to buy. So this guy just came by and stuck some kind of candy on our window. I know, if you touch it, then you owe him 2 real. Which is 50 cents for his like little balls of weed or whatever the hell, nuts or something. So basically a guy put his nuts on our door. So 2 things at the dyno shop. Recaros, and then also if everything arrives and the car runs, who knows, we're going to ask them if tomorrow evening we can take the car to them and use the dyno and try and tune the car there, which will be faster and a lot safer than us trying to do it around the city. After that, we have to find a high-performance clutch. There's a shop in town called Turbo. That's all they're called. So we heard that they have clutches that will work up to 1,000 horsepower for the 8 valves. So hopefully that's the right place to go. Maybe they can help us with the fuel tank issue. Day 4.
Just look like it. he said it was his swing brother.
Olá.
Beleza? Bora?
Eu não entendo português.
Não tem problema.
Que isso, bro? Você é igual seu irmão, é?
Bom,
What the fuck?
aí a nossa casa.
Uau, que casa, hein?
Só não repara na bagunça, né? Porque não dá tempo de
Que isso?
arrumar muitas bagunças, mas tem de tudo um pouco aí, pra quem gosta de carro.
Holy shit.
Jamais Volkswagen.
Oh my god.
Bastante americano também aqui, ó. Olha lá. ó.
Americans.
Yeah, Chevy.
Esse aqui é...
I have the same.
Look, right there.
There's a lot going on in here. There is cars everywhere and of every type. American, Brazil, the Chevy on orbitals. Oh, a Beat Turbo. It's a carburetor with a turbo with no intercooler. Just, yeah, it's wild. There's so much stuff here. Woo. These are the base model
É o
Recaros.
seguinte, eu vou descer lá para dar uma olhada como que tá a situação aí, que pé tá, para eu poder dar uma coisa concreta, tá?
So they say Recaro, but they're just normal, like European style GTI seats.
O banco que vocês vieram ver não é esse, tá?
Crazy.
É do gol lá.
And hey, look, a Fuel Tech sticker
Jamie,
on a drag car.
the one from the Gulf, back there, those are the seats.
Okay, cool.
Right?
His brother is fantastic.
Falou que você é muito fantástico.
Tamo aí, né? Passou mal, né? Ele lá na frente a gente aqui na mecânica.
É, com certeza, com certeza.
Aqui a gente vai bastante, beleza?
So this is the set.
Também.
Não, beleza. Como é que tá os banquinhos aqui, tá bom?
Tá zerado, muito
Zerado?
zerado. O precinho que ele tá pedindo tá muito bom.
So, gotta get the light out. So they have the Recaro bases. It's a little rusty, but it's not bad.
Os contatos lá, fora lá. Os amigos também aqui.
Tem?
Mexe isso aí.
É mesmo?
Opa. Aqui, inclusive, eles
Wow.
estão enchendo o saco pra mim pra lá. Pra
So
fazer
crazy.
carro, umas coisas assim.
Lá nos Estados Unidos.
E lá eles usam bastante meio
Oh.
daquela ali, ó.
Aham.
Que eles estão fazendo agora. E que ali é tudo, enfim. Eles querem que eu vou lá fazer alguma coisa.
I don't think the material is original, maybe?
Bocatom. E o dois. É Bocatom.
They're pretty spectacular.
Inclusive ele trouxe pra mim da cidade dele a placa que tá na caminhonete ali, ó. Ele veio aqui.
Ah, é?
É. Full tech,
Everything,
full
look,
tech,
Jamie. Everything's free tech here.
full
free
tech e tudo
everywhere.
aqui.
So Fuel Tech are sending
Aqui, ó.
Yeah, então.
Aqui, ó.
prototype.
Aqui,
É um protótipo, 500 FT500 on this.
Yeah.
É um protótipo
500.
que eles estão mandando pra ele, que é FT450.
Sim. Saiu
Então,
novo agora.
Vai chegar amanhã de manhã, entendeu? Então ele quer montar e passar no dinamômetro aí, cara. Passar o carro depois que montar.
Ó, a traseira.
That one in your car?
Yeah. Oh my god. This is how you get 1,000 horsepower from an 8-valve AP engine in Brazil.
Vai.
It's 1.9 or 2.0 or 2.1.
Qual o
Qual
tamanho
o tamanho
do motor que tá agora?
desse motor?
Da turbina?
Do
O motor que
motor.
vai ela.
The
O motor é 2.0,
2.0.
tá?
2.1? Yeah.
Com turbina eixo de 88 milímetros, tá?
It's 80?
88 liters.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm guessing right.
Yeah, you are.
Amazing.
É.
Um,
Agora, quer ver o dinamômetro? Vem pra cá.
He wants to show you the dyno.
on the dyno, why would there not be a Santana on the dyno? So carb, turbo, no intercooler. Crazy. And so he's tuning it by the jets only?
Como é que você tá tunando ele? Como é que você tá fazendo ele?
Qual parte você tá?
Botando ele numa... Como é que eu posso falar?
We call it a jet. And in here, it's
Aqui, esse é carburado, carburador.
sim, sim.
Tá?
And the jets.
Giclê e tal, você
Yeah.
vai.
So tuning.
Eu vou calibrando, eu uso o notebook.
Calibrates.
Né?
By bigger or smaller jet.
Isso.
O menor e pequeno, menor e maior.
Yeah.
Aí eu tenho uma escala aí, eu vou calibrando, né? Uso o computador junto, que ele me dá as informações, né?
To measure the fuel ratio.
Aqui eu consigo fazer carro carburado, assim, com um carburador desse e uma bomba com 600 cavalos.
600
Com
horsepower.
carburador. Eu consigo fazer.
With a carburetor.
With a carburetor engine.
Yeah. So, does he know what we are building?
Você tá sabendo mais ou menos o que ele tá fazendo?
Mais ou menos.
So, in the Subaru that's in getting tuned, caster air ride and fuel tech. So this is the same setup as we were doing. The fuel tech's just chilling.
Ó, ainda estamos terminando ainda, né? Partilha na tela.
Oh! Wow. So this is the Fueltech FT600 and it has a start-stop button on the digital display. That is crazy. Wow.
Viu? Se eu furar, soldar isso aqui que tem mais o que fazer.
Cara, pra dentro ali.
Cai pra dentro.
Manda
Nossa,
bala.
nunca vi, não sei onde fica nada.
Só se eu entrar ali já acho que está uma lâmpada aqui pra ele.
The end of day 4. Yeah. Let's show you the end of day 4 when we have one more day. The engine is not here. The wheels I have not assembled. I need a torque wrench. No interior, no air ride, no brakes. Almost no car. Today was a really long day. It's here. Let me look. It is almost 1 a.m. And yes, I'm normally full of life, and there is welding happening, and there is sanding happening, and there is bolting happening, and there is cleaning happening, and there is hard lines happening. And yes, I'm assembling the wheels just over there. So we are doing so much work still. This challenge is so difficult. Today's difficulty was getting more parts every day, trying to find the parts, trying to buy the parts, trying to clean the parts, just anything. The response from everyone in Brazil, from everyone in South Africa, the USA, and Europe has been amazing. Canada, everywhere. So thank you to everybody. Thank you to everyone who's helped get parts. Tonight I drove to another city. A gentleman opened up his shop late for us, and we bought a really amazing race flywheel and a lot of other high performance parts that only exist for these Brazilian cars here in Brazil. Tomorrow's the last day. We have more parts arriving tomorrow. I will finish torquing the wheels tomorrow. We're all hurting. Adam from Black Forest is starting to get worn down. I'm getting a little tired. Everyone, I've seen people sleeping on the floor next to the truck. That's crazy. We're still having fun, I think, but we cannot wait to be at Bubble Gun Treffen with the truck, which means we have made it. And at this point, I don't know if we'll make it. Yeah, even the camera guys, DG Works, everyone's just tired. I think we're happy to be here. Maybe? No, I am so happy to be in Brazil. Genuinely, I look outside the shop and see the trees and just everything. The people, the cars, everything is amazing. So I'm very, very happy to be here. I can't wait to try and see if we can finish this in time and make it to the show. Huge thanks to absolutely everybody. I've got the Delinte tires going on, of course caster suspension. Everything is based around it. We also went to the dyno shop, and that's just helping finish up the motor with everything. I'm talking way too long. Go look at some pictures. Thank you for watching. Thank you to the film crew. Subscribe wherever that button is down here somewhere. I don't even know. I want to say I'm going to go get some sleep. I'm not. I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to go over there and keep assembling wheels. Enjoy YouTube. Thank you to Instagram. Holy shit. I don't think the little Portuguese child behind me understands when I say shit, but holy beep. I got 50,000 subscribers or followers. I can't even talk anymore. I got 50K on Instagram. Thank you, everyone. That's sensational. Really, that's pretty cool. Thank you. I think it's pretty cool. It's probably not cool. I need to go work and sleep. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Day 5 of 5.